Here's an interesting app which is called CoverStar Dance Challenges. So let's explore it. So its size is 107 megabytes. So it's not a large app. And yeah, it's grown in the charts. CoverStar is a safe and positive social network. Meet new friends and compete in dance challenges to win prizes. CoverStar is for making friends, not foes. We don't allow any bullying or toxic behavior, only positive vibes. So yeah, it's kind of, one of those TikTok alternatives, which takes one of TikTok features and try to build up on it. And then here you can see, and then see a lot of just like dancing challenges here. But basically, yeah, here is the community. You can see trending today. You can see trending dances. There are challenges which you can join every day. Which then you can see some trending videos. There are a lot of like teenagers here. Okay, so seems like very teenager kind of focused app. And to create an account, you can just tap here and continue with Apple and continue with Google. So there are just some notifications. And then to pick a song and to post a video, you still need to create an account. Yep, so that's kind of like a simplified niche version of TikTok where you just do these dances. And that's basically the idea. So give it a try. If you like TikTok, especially if you like TikTok for dancing moves and all of that, definitely give it a try.